Good night. My name is Brian Alberto Guerrero Murillo. I'm 24 years old. And already I'm studying logistics in Compensar University. I work in the Banco de Alimentos de Bogotá as a logistic operator. The movie that I want to play in this moment is Captain America, the first Avenger. This is a movie of fiction who has the first Avenger, that in this case is Steve Rogers. Uh, at the beginning of this movie, this character is considered the with a poor, or I don't know, smallest character of all. He was selected by a doctor who in this moment was uh, the implicated of do like a experiment to improve their abilities from this movie, and it was incredible because that was the beginning of all this story of the Avengers, uh, wearing clothes. The movie includes part of United States of America and other parts of the World War. Another character is Peggy. It was and an, uh, an agent that was in love of Steve Rogers. She was uh, the people to improve Rogers' abilities. In this case, we need to take into account that in this movie was three elements important of the old story of Avengers. First, the gem, that it was very important from the last one sequence when Thanos take all the gems to destroy all the humanity. Another one, obviously, and I repeat this thing, the first Avenger was for my thing, or for my way to understand the things, one of the three most important characters of this sequence, one Captain America, Iron Man, and I think that Hulk, or um, Thor, because all the abilities was separated into sequence, into very important parts, that it was incredible for the next like the next stories. So I think that this movie is incredible. I like so much. So I don't think have any more to say. Thank you.